That wasn't funny.
It wasn't.
No, it wasn't.
It was. Silly.
That hurt.
It was just water.
But it still hurt.
Never try to do that again. Hooey hooey. I was trying to do that thing. Yay yay.
Yay.
Okay. You want to kiss me?
So, yeah, what time is it?
Huh?
What time is it?
It's 4:32.
In the afternoon or in the morning?
In the morning.
Cool.
Hyper. Or should I say, diaper? Do you? Hold on. No. Hold on. I can do this.
Oh, wow.
I got this. Hey, what day is it, young lady? No, seriously. What day? Oh my God. What day is it?
Wednesday.
It was the.
Yes, it is.
It's Wednesday.
No, it's a Wednesday.
No.
It's Wednesday.
It's Wednesday?
It's Wednesday.
A.M.
Wednesday.
I'm so hyper. Hypervenomine.
What?
Hypervenomine.
Is that a word? What?
Oh, they're trying to do that thing. Hold on. I can do it better.
Do what Kennedy does.
Okay. And my face.
You look like a goody good.
Huh?
A goody good.
Huh?
You look like a goody good.
No, I'm not. I'm evil, I tell you, evil. No. That was not bad. You know, sometimes I laugh when I don't really need to. Because sometimes I'm hyper. Because sometimes I'm hyper. You know what I mean?
Or a diaper.
Diaper. Oh, by the way, I want to introduce you to my
yes. Footy McFoot.
Yep. Isn't he nice?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. He argues with me a lot, but that's another story. Don't talk to me like that. No, seriously, who does that?
Victoria.
Denise. No, that wasn't good.
I know.
That wasn't good.
No.
You're not funny, Denise.
You're not funny either.
You're not funny.
You're not funny.
You're not funny.
You're not funny. Your mom. Huh?
Your mom.
Your mom.
That's what she said.
Your face. Your mom raped you.
That is nasty. You're nasty.
That's why your mom. That didn't make sense.
No.
So she said.
Make me laugh.
Make you laugh?
That is so funny. Watch do it. There we go.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Why?
Mm.
Why?
Mm.
Baby. Diaper.
Wait, why are we laughing at the word diaper?
I don't know.